Hi, this is Chris Rochnott, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're unboxing the very exciting Ultimate Ears HYPERBOOM. This amazing wireless battery-powered speaker offers 24 hours of playtime battery life. It has 4 inputs, and we'll show you that in just a moment, and it's IPX4 water resistant. So we're going to quickly go to the top and show you how this turns on. We've downloaded the HYPERBOOM app from Ultimate Ears, connects via Bluetooth, and the first time it connects, it will download any firmware updates that you need. So you can see that it's on, and it shows you controls here via these stickers. This is actually volume up and volume down. They're very touch sensitive. As you can see, it blink when I press them. So that's very quick. On and off. And this will work within your entire home. This has adaptive EQ, and we'll show you that here. So once it's on, you can change that. Adaptive EQ works with almost any environment that you're in. So this is adaptive. You can turn this off and you can adjust your bass or your treble or whatever you want to do, change the mode. But here you are, and you can adjust adding other HYPERBOOMs or other boom speakers to the list for party time mode. Okay, now we'll go down below to show you the connections. So here's where the connections are stored. So of course you have Bluetooth. You can pair it to multiple devices. Then you have the USB out. You have the optical, auxiliary, and then the power. So this is the actual power adapter right here. And it does charge pretty quickly for 24 hours of playtime. That's amazing. And then you're probably wondering, what's this? Well, that's the handle. The handle adjusts like this, and you can carry it around. So you put your hand in here, and it's pretty heavy. So you definitely need a handle, and this is super thick. But I like that it folds flat to the case. So we'll take a quick tour around the entire speaker, so you can see that it's totally covered. You get 360-degree audio out of this thing, and I like that the back part is just a line of connections, so you can set this up to be powered or use via battery. 24 hours, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's very easy. The app is free, and the update actually did a nice job. So we're happy that we can turn it on and off wherever we are in the home via Bluetooth. This is Chris Rochnott, 24K on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.